Hiya, if you're new to the channel, my name's Barry. This is we're doing a restoration of a Davy Brown 990. I've just done a quick update today. Haven't getting much done this week. The weather's had was stopped. Been out and about shopping, getting bits and pieces for it. Some new wheels and whatnot for the new frames, and some little bits and pieces. But the weather, we had some good days this week, but now it's 1.5 degrees. I think 3 degrees is the highest it's going to get today if we're lucky. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the fog's just lifted, so couldn't get any painting done, getting some cleaning done, getting some paint and stripping done. So hope you enjoy the video, hope you come back for the next part. Catch you later. There we go, gearbox casing just had its second coat. You can see the first coat just starting to lift the paint, and you can see as I brushed the second coat on, it started to mix the paint up. It's really cold today. Started off a small 1.5 degrees, now about 3 degrees, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Fog's just lifted, so things, it's a bit slow. Away I brushed the top side of this, all the engineered faces and the top running sides, you know, that they got all the dirt off them that I could that way. Ran a tap through every single hole that's in there. As you can see, all the threads are nicely cleaned out. Cleaned all the threads down off the side where the footsteps go, through the back where it bolts onto the back axle, and through the front where the engine frame bolts onto it. You can see, because of all the intricacies, the faces, the little compartments that's there, this is going to have to be painted brown or chocolate before it gets put on the tractor, because I'm not going to be able to get in underneath that and get all the little places like in there, and get all the sides and all the faces painted. So I'm going to lie it upside down outside on a set of trestles or a set of benches, and we'll get it painted up first before it gets married back onto the engine just behind it there, underneath them blankets sitting in bed. Right, so we'll leave this till tomorrow now, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow morning. Right, so yesterday went shopping, got all this for 40 quid. 3 8-inch casters, heavy duty, cracking them, and 2 6-inch, really heavy duty ones, and the trolley. The trolley needs new wheel on because it's got a flat tyre, but these are going to form the basis of the new trolley for the engine. Got this control valve half cleaned up. I'm busy stripping it. Well, I'm busy stripping this with paint stripper again, so it'll be overnight. Tomorrow morning should be good for a good clean out. But other than that, everything looks fine, and I just need to go through it, give it a good bath, a good wash out, make sure everything's sorted.